Deep in the heart of the forest, where sunlight struggles to reach the ground, an ancient exchange is about to take place. A group of visitors has stepped into a world ruled not by comfort or emotion, but by instinct and survival. What they have brought is not a gift, but a reminder of how life continues in the wild. From the shadows, shapes begin to emerge. Hyenas. Feared by many and misunderstood by most, they have long carried the weight of myth and superstition. Yet here, stripped of stories and human judgment, they are exactly what they have always been. Highly intelligent survivors, perfectly adapted to their environment. They move carefully at first, reading the air, watching one another. Every glance, every shift in posture, every low sound carries meaning. This is not disorder, it is communication. Hyenas are among the most socially complex animals in the forest, bound by hierarchy and cooperation, learned over generations. As one steps forward, the tension changes, another follows, and then the stillness breaks. The feeding begins. There is no hesitation now. Movement fills the space, and the forest echoes with sound. Growls, snaps, and low calls blend together in a rhythm shaped by instinct. This is not aggression for its own sake. This is survival in its purest form. Every bite has purpose. Hyenas possess some of the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom. Bone, sinew, and flesh are all consumed. Almost nothing is left behind. Where other predators might abandon remains, hyenas erase them. In doing so, they perform a vital role. They prevent decay from spreading disease, they reduce waste, and they keep the ecosystem in balance. The intensity rises and falls as minutes pass. Brief disputes flare, then quickly fade. Energy is valuable. Injury is dangerous. Each animal understands the limits, the risks, and the unspoken rules that govern the group. For the humans watching, this moment can be difficult to process. It challenges the stories we tell ourselves about nature. There is no cruelty here, but there is no mercy either. The wild does not operate on emotion. It operates on necessity. This feeding does more than satisfy hunger. It protects the forest itself. By consuming what remains, hyenas limit the spread of disease, control insect populations. Under the shade of a lone tree, a lioness seeks rest. The heat of the day presses down, and for a moment all seems still. But even in this quiet, life stirs. Tiny flies hover and settle, persistent and unrelenting. Each buzz, each landing, nudges her from her peace. The attack is swift and decisive. Instinct drives it forward. The dragon's jaws clamp, its strength undeniable. The struggle is brief, and the flow of life continues uninterrupted. Along the riverbank, the sun glints on scales and water alike. The forest watches silently, the wind carries the whispers of the wild, and life continues as it has for millennia. Every action, every movement is part of the unending rhythm of nature. Where survival demands courage, patience, and a will as relentless as the river itself. When the feeding ends, the Komodo dragon rests. The river laps quietly at the shore, the heat of the day continues, and the forest resumes its slow, eternal rhythm. In the wild, this is neither cruelty nor malice. It is necessity, raw and unflinching, and it is survival. The wind whispers through the trees, snowflakes drifting slowly, yet the panda is completely absorbed in the moment. Here, in this serene winter landscape, play is not just leisure, it is learning, exploration, and the pure expression of life. And so it rolls, tumbles, and leaps, bringing warmth and vitality to the cold, silent forest.
Okay, go! Oh, it got it. It got it. That's my first cheetah kill. And first for BK. For a moment, you would have thought we're in the Mara.
Yeah.
Oh, there, he's coming back. Oh. This is fascinating.